that.
Yeah, start with a big circle. Oh, that's a big one. Good job. Okay. Okay, now what?
Make them eyes.
Yep. Good. Good. Now what?
A mouth.
Nice. How about some hair? Good. How about some ears? Okay. How about some arms? Okay.
Yep.
Wow. How about some feet? Okay. It's a pretty big circle for his head. Can you do another one? Do another circle? Let's do another one. Okay, do another circle.
On the big one.
I don't know if you want a big one, just one for her face. Oh, that's a nice one. Okay, how about two big? Yep, two big eyes.
No, this little eyes.
Just little eyes? Alright. Okay.
On the low.
That looks exactly the same. Great. Those are the legs and feet, are they? Wow, that's really cool, Ben. I'm gonna draw. What else? What else do you want to draw?
Another people.
Okay, yeah, draw some more people. Another circle. Oh, on the same head. Okay. Oh, nice. I like your smiles.
Right here. And feet.
And feet.
With his hair standing up.
His hair standing up?
Uh-huh.
G'day everybody, I'm the postie. I wonder if there's a letter
Nice.
for someone at Wiggle House.
Nice.
And erase it.
Okay, erase it. Now what do you want to draw?
Another big turtle.
Good job.